As leaders, we're often expected to have all the answers, to always be strong. But true strength isn't about standing alone, it's about knowing when to lean on others. That is what this club represents, a place where we remind each other who we truly are and beyond our successes and struggles. A place where trust, honesty, and friendship outshines our successes and struggles. The strongest relationships are built not on perfection, but on honesty, trust, and the courage to be vulnerable. Here, we don't have to wear masks and put up walls. This is a rare space where we can be real without fear of judgment. This has made me more authentic and humble, yet stronger, fully knowing that I am in the company of highly accomplished people.